So I was getting my astrology chart reading today, and he told me I would fuck that up. And the other thing he told me that I was gonna eat some raw chicken and not get a tummy ache like every other day. Salmon Nutella hoax confirmed. So astrology, huh? Some bitches say they can predict their love life with it. Some people plan their whole lives with it. But it has to be a specific kind of astrology. Go with the Hindu shit. Some people say it's complete bullshit. Complete religious belief in the sky stars, the blinking sky stars and the planets. Some religions say astrology is the work of the devil. Muslims very clear about it. They don't like that predicting from the stars. Christianity, I don't think they're too happy about the astrology. But when you look at, for example, Christianity and how Jesus, the 12 apostles, how they are formed, how they kinda, weirdly enough, must be just odd coincidence. They kinda align with the things moving up in the skies and the stars and the sun and the moon. Many other religions, Greek religions, Roman religions, all about those wandering planets, those 7 planets, 7 heavens. Pyramids are said to be built in a way that they align with different constellations. They align with the sun, maybe the moon. Obviously, sun and the moon are a big part how we read or perceive time. Jewish people still live in that 13-month moon calendar. Some people say there's 13 constellations, not 12. But that would fuck up my astrology sign. What's up with that? And I identify with my astrology sign very much. So we can't have one more constellation up there. That would also fuck up the 12 apostles. 12 constellations theory. I'm open to astrology. But who can read it though? Who can actually, if there is some sense into this, first of all, what are the stars? Are they some suns that died billions, millions miles away, light years ago? But when you zoom at them with your cameras, with your telescopes, they're kinda blinking, they're kinda weird looking. Some people say we are born, our souls come through the stars into our father's ballsack, or when the semen combines with the egg, and that's when it happens inside of your mama. Like I was last night. Shut the fuck up. Some people say that about the stars. What I have always wondered is, why do we always see the same constellations? What's up with that? It has been like that forever, to my knowledge. But I'm open to the idea that the stars, the planets, sun and the moon, well, sun and the moon for sure affect how we feel. You can just follow the full moon cycle and see the cycles in you and other people. Also sun. Sun's cycles are much larger though, so they might be a little harder to track. Oh, I know that from my own experience, 100%. So I'm open that the stars also affect people's lives. A couple years ago I got real deep to studying the horoscopes. Can you guess what I am? Take a guess. Right now. I've said it a couple times for my 2 viewers. But I got interested about that because I didn't pay any attention to that before, and I like to know about everything. So it was interesting. I got this book from 1980 or 1800, 1890 or something. This book about the zodiac sign. And it kinda nails my zodiac sign, and I read the other ones, and I tried to compare it to myself and the people I know in my life whose zodiac sign I know, and there seemed to be, well, for sure, the zodiac readings in that book and in other things, they match my character pretty well, better than the other zodiac shits I've been looked at. So there's that. But also, maybe if there is 13 zodiacs, that kind of fucks that theory up. Maybe. But yeah, I got into those, and they kinda nailed, at least better than the other zodiacs, although some of them have also characteristics of my character. But most of the time I am like the one that I'm supposed to be, the zodiac sign. And when I see other people I know very well, they also kinda many times very similar to the zodiac sign that they are at. Or maybe that's just bullshit. Also, the loves of my life, my best romantic relationships in my past. The two best ones both were with a sign that aligns with my sign very well. Well, who knows? It was just interesting to know about this. But I never make 100% conclusions because it is very hard to know about that stuff. You need to be a true master of knowing the stars and the planets and knowing yourself. But for example, with the moon cycles, that's easy. That's very easy to see in yourself and in other people. Anyway, that's about it. What do you think about astrology? Some bullshit or not? See you at the next one.